Hey everyone, it's Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the screensaver on your LG TV. So if you find this image annoying or anything like that, it doesn't matter where you are. You could be on your PlayStation or the home screen. Just tap the mute button 3 times really quick. 1, 2, 3. This menu popped open. And we have some cool things on here like show LG logo when turning off the TV. If you turn this off, the TV will turn off in literally like as soon as you press the button. But here's screensaver. Let's uncheck mark this. If you turn the screensaver off and the same image remains on the screen for more than 2 hours, it can affect the picture quality of your screen. If it remains for more than 5 hours, permanent picture damage could pretty much take place. So you can decide if you want that on or off after reading that. If you don't, you can just go to yes and just continue on with the process. So I'm going to click this. But you can turn it on or off right here. Now, if you hate seeing the art gallery image when there is no signal, you just want a black screen, you can turn that off right here as well. And then you got auto power sync. I'm not entirely sure what that does. I thought it would turn on or off my PlayStation, but that might be a different feature. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.